G'day, Professor Glenmo here. I'm going to tell you about black start protection. Now, what is black start protection? In a off-grid system, one of the worst things that can happen if you have an AC coupled generation and storage system is if your battery inverter shuts down on low battery voltage, because it's a grid forming system. And if you don't have a way of charging those batteries from another source, then when the sun comes up, your solar inverters won't even turn on because they need to synchronize with a grid forming system. However, there is a solution. What we got here is a MPPT. Now, this is an AERL MPPT, Maximum Power Point Tracking Charge Controller. And what it does is it will charge a battery from DC. This one takes 300 volts max input and can charge a battery from 24 up to 60 volt range. So it'll charge the battery irrespective of whether the inverter is on, whether the battery inverter is shut down or not, it'll still charge the battery. And so it'll charge the battery to the point where the turn-off voltage of the battery is passed and the battery inverter will turn back on again, and bingo, you've got a grid, and then all of your AC coupled solar can synchronize with it. Now, since I'm pointing here at the AERL, I should give you a couple of heads up about this product. This company actually produced the first commercially available MPPT in the world. They effectively invented the maximum power point tracker way back in 1984. Stuart Watkinson, a young electrical engineer from Queensland, came up with the concept, started the business. I actually owned one of his early MPPTs from the early 90s. I think it was 1991 I bought my first one. What they've done is build systems for the Australian market that meet all our standards, which is great. This one has EarthGuard built in. That means it's got earth fault detection. Now, that is a bit of a special thing because our PV array standard, AS/NZS 5033, require earth fault detection for systems over 120 volts. And bingo, this will go up to 300 volt arrays. And soon I'll be unboxing their new one, which is a 600 volt input. Wow, that's pretty cool. This unit also has a really high short circuit current input, so 30 amps input. It can output up to 60 amps to battery. It'll work on a wide range of input voltages, and it's got a display on the front, which can give you the basic information about the voltage on the array, the voltage on the battery, current and power. Anyway, that's black start protection and why you need it off-grid to protect yourself from losing power. This is Professor Glenmo, over and out.